Hey there, Chris, boiler installation specialist. Once again, another boiler installation. Once again, oil. And what we've got here, I'll show you around here. This is what we've taken out. We'll come around the back of the van here. So we've taken out, funny enough, an external oil boiler in the garage. Now, an external boiler's got to be outside. You can't put it in an internal space. So what we're going to do here, we're taking out the external boiler. I'll show, obviously we're going to put in an internal boiler, which is here. So once again, it's an internal oil combination boiler. What we'll do, we'll put it on these slabs here. We'll utilise, this is like black cladding around there. The customer wants us to utilise the same flue hole, so we'll come out the back of the boiler with a section of pipe and elbow back out there, and that's our flue taken care of. Once again, the Worcester product, 7-year guarantee, and we're going to put a Worcester filter on there to get rid of all like nasties in the heating system, which connects up with the filter, and that gets cleared on an annual basis. Prolongs the life of the boiler, so it's a must. The Worcester filter is an absolute must. Plus it gives you that additional guarantee of your boiler, and that's it. So what I shall do, I shall situ the boiler now, pipe it all up, and come back with a completion in a little while, in about 3 to 4 hours. Thank you very much.
Now,
hello there, Chris from Boiler Installation Specialist. Just completed this installation of this combi boiler, and it's basically like for like, nice and level on these slabs. Central heating filter installed, filling loop nice and accessible so the customers can fill the system up nice and easy with water, and that's about it really. So it's, it's quite simple. Once again, 7-year guarantee on this boiler. All the paperwork's been handed to the customer, all explained, nice and simple. All it is, put that little panel here, hot water temperature control, as you can see there. All we do there, that governs our hot water temperature, and that's about it really. So what we'll do, we'll pass this over to the customer, close it up, and there you go, nice neat installation. Okay, brilliant, thank you very much.